Hello guys, good day guys, welcome to my Trendy channel. So in today's tutorial we'll be looking at how this beautiful flyer was created from scratch. So if you're new to this channel, we talk more about how to create nice flyers and the rest. And mind you, I'm not the owner of this design. Please, I saw this design on Pinterest and I saw need to just recreate it for my family. And if you've not joined my WhatsApp group, ensure you join. There you get information and the rest. So I was able to get something that looked like this background, but not exactly this background. So but let's just work with it. Let's just work with it. So and the link to get the material that is being used in this tutorial will be dropped in the description of this video, so just go check it and download. Ensure you comment and share and like this video. So let me just import. So guys, there's a trend now, there's something that is trending now, the AI generation and a lot of that. There's something like this, it's trending now, so expect a video on that. Just expect a video on that, which it won't exceed this week. So I couldn't get the original. So this is our bubble. Okay, I couldn't get the original picture. This is Pastor Adeboye's wife. Couldn't get the original picture, so what I did was I replaced that picture with that of Joshua Selman. So in this tutorial we'll be using Joshua Selman to replace her. So Joshua Selman will replace her. So this is the background I was able to get. Not really like the original background, but at the same time half bed is better than none. Now if you observe now, these two background, they are too noisy, they are too catchy, they are too sharp. So what I did was I click on it, then I head over to color filters. First I reduce the brightness of this background, reduce it to 20. The second saturation, I took it to like 15. Hue, I took hue to okay, hue is okay, but let me see. Okay, so let's take it to 5. Then contrast 10. Now are you seeing for the contrast? So now what are we to do next? And please, in this video don't just watch and go. I'll also show you how to enhance design after you're done designing. So this is Apostle Joshua Selman. So let's just cut out these parts that we need. And I noticed something. Please, if you watch this video and this video blessed you so much, please don't be too don't feel too big to comment, or don't feel less consigned to comment, because the more you comment, the more YouTube recommends the video to people. So now let me increase it like this, increase this place, then take this place like this, then just take off the place or the parts that we don't need. You know, I've been doing this free tutorial for like years now, so that the only way you can appreciate me is to subscribe and also share, like and comment with your friends. That's the only way you can use in appreciating me. So all we do now is to reduce this and place it inside this place. Okay, let's clean the hand wants to give us issue. Okay, so we are not done yet. Now let's work on this picture. That's Apostle's picture to rhyme with the background. So first thing is the brightness. take it to -5. Saturation, take it to -10. Then your hue, bring your hue to -20. Are you seeing? Then you take your contrast to 10. Are you seeing now? Now the background and everything is now rhyming together. So let's position it in the middle. Then we also need to work on the bubbles. Like I said earlier, that design is not mine. I saw it, and the essence of this tutorial is to give you that sense that there are certain things that are possible with your phone. You just have to think and you do it. So the brightness, let's reduce the brightness of our bubble. Saturation, let's also reduce the saturation a little bit. Our hue, let's just take it down. Then our contrast, let's also take it down. So contrast should be like this. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do now is to bring in our house, the house that you're seeing there. So all you need to do is to watch this video to the end, share, comment, join our WhatsApp group. In that place you can drop any flyer you want us to work on. So now this is our house. Let me just increase it. So all we need to do now is to take it downwards of the design or the background. Okay, bring it here. So sorry. So now let's work on the house to get a perfect blend. Now all we need to do now is to increase our saturation to 10. Then reduce our brightness. Okay, saturation should be 5. Brightness should be 10. Brightness should be 10. Then you just touch it a little bit. Touch it to 10, -10. Are you seeing? Now you are not getting it gradually. Then you do your good. Then now you bring in your light effect. It's on transparent. There's no background. So all these materials will be available with just the link. Then you enable, change the color to black. You increase it, then bring it at the down part like this. Then you copy, bring it at the down part here. You copy, you also bring it at the down part here. Now are you seeing that gradually we are getting a resemblance of that design? Are you seeing? So now what do we do now? Concerning our 7, we enter the number 7. Now let's increase the size. Now let's look for a font that looks like the one that was used in that design. Okay, Magic Retro. So let's just use Magic Retro. Let's just use Magic Retro for the sake of this tutorial. So now what we do next is that we'll go to texture and we import the background as texture. Our downloaded background, where is it? What as texture. Then you just scale it. Don't enable it, just scale it with your hand. Okay, so all you need to do now is to go to your shadow, enable your shadow at the back, then reduce the opacity of your shadow. Then the blur radius, also reduce the blur radius to 5. Then your off XY, take it down a little bit to 5. Then go to inner shadow, enable inner shadow, then make it to be white. Are you seeing? Then increase the blur radius to 5. Then copy that same number 7. Now first thing you do is that you go to your texture, you delete it, go to your inner shadow, you disenable it, go to your shadow itself, you disenable, then you change the color to pure white, then you drop it somewhere here, just to get that look. Okay, let's enable the shadow to see how it will look like. Okay, we can as well just leave the shadow but reduce its opacity to 44, or better still 40. Okay guys, so this is Trendy channel. So this is some of the videos that we've done back to back. By the grace of God, these are some of the videos that we are able to put out there for viewers to watch. So if you've not watched any of these videos, just come here, watch them, enhance your graphic life. You can see about color, enhance your graphic journey, and learn new thing. So thank you guys. I'll leave it here. Now you see. Now let me just enter quotes here. Let me bring it some text. Let me just bring in some text. Let's just reduce the size of those texts. Now increase the spacing. Let's space it. Let's just take it like this. Drop it here. Then come to our line down. Just line it down. Then change the color to pure white. So let's just leave it like this and bring it up a little bit. So if you're observing the original design, there's a redeem logo and some other stuff that is on the design. So all we need to do now is to copy this our background. Now change the color to white. Drop it somewhere here. Then brought it down. You see the way we brought it down? Just bring it down like this. Then you import your logo. That's maybe you're using the Koinonia logo, or which I'll be using the Koinonia logo since I'm working with Apostle. Change the color to black. So in this tutorial, in this channel, we've done a lot of video. Actually a lot of video, a lot. So are you seeing? So I'll be showing you guys some of the series that we've done, some of the videos that we've done. Are you seeing? So now let's just save it and head over to where we enhance the design to look sharp and to look nice. So we'll be using two apps to enhance the design. We'll be using Snapseed and Lightroom. Using Snapseed and Lightroom. Okay, so we are done. So now let's head over to Snapseed first. So this is the design. So now all you need to do is just tap on pop, let the design pop out. That's all you just need here. Okay, we've achieved that. Then all you do now is to save it. Then now let's head over to Lightroom to finish up the whole process. So here in Lightroom we have presets and the rest. All we need to do is tap on edit, tap on effects, then we take our effect to take it to 60, take this other details, take it to 100. Are you seeing? Now radius, just touch it a little bit, your details, touch it a little bit. Are you seeing? Come to your lights. Yeah, you just play around it. Here we'll have the white background. You can as well this white now, if you take it backward, you're reducing the white things in the background. If you bring it forward, you're increasing it. Same thing is applicable to the black. Take it back, you're reducing the black, just like that. Are you seeing? So no need, we need the design to pop out, so the design is okay like this. So please guys, kindly subscribe to this video, share it with your friends. See you guys in my next tutorial. Ensure you join our WhatsApp group using the link.